In this video, we will show you how you can create a new agency account with Timetics. First, go to Timetics, log into your account, and click on My Account. From here, select Agency Accounts from the available fields. From this page, you can add new agency accounts, dive inside of already existing agency accounts, and so on. Click on the Add Agency Account button to add a new agency to your subscription. Fill in the account user's first name, last name, agency mail, and username, and click on OK. A new site ID for this agency will be created. Here, you can check their status, deactivate them, and even delete them as needed. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to follow our socials.